Hello garden keepers, welcome back to Garden Lighting, the best source for lighting tips to take your lighting game to the next level. It doesn't matter if you're a seasoned DIY expert or a beginner, there's something for everyone. From mason jar lanterns to repurposed bottle lights, the possibilities are endless. If you haven't checked out our blog for the latest outdoor lighting tips, make sure to click on the link in the description below. Now let's dive into some fantastic DIY ideas to illuminate your outdoor space. Number 1. Assess your outdoor space. First things, make sure to assess your outdoor space. These elements will guide your lighting decisions, making your garden both functional and beautiful. Number 2. Determine the purpose. Determine the purpose of your DIY outdoor lighting. Are you aiming for a cozy vibe or prioritizing security? Once you know your goal, you're gonna have a lot more clarity with your lighting choices. Number 3. Create a rough layout. Now that you know your space and purpose, create a rough layout. Mark out potential lighting spots for a balanced distribution. This not only ensures functionality, but also makes you take more creative control. Number 4. Pick a suitable mood and theme. Whether it's a fun theme or a rustic look, select a theme that complements your garden's aesthetics. Make sure it blends seamlessly. Consider the mood that you want. Say, brighter lights for architectural features or soft ones for a relaxing atmosphere. The choice is yours. Number 5. Balance light and dark areas. Balance is key. Contrast lit areas with shadows for depth. You want to avoid too many lights to prevent glare, allowing the beauty of your outdoor space to shine. Number 6. Explore different light sources with so many options to choose from, be it solar, LED or incandescent lights. Solar lights are eco-friendly, LEDs are energy efficient, and incandescents offer a warm glow. Choose what suits your garden best. Number 7. Distinguish between decorative and functional lighting. String lights and festoons go well for gardens, sturdy lamppost lights for pathways. Definitely look out for spotlights or uplighting to bring out your garden's highlights. Number 8. Get creative with string lights. Try installing them in a grid pattern for a stunning effect, or wrap them around your trees for a vibrant forest ambience. Number 9. Repurpose everyday items. Turn everyday items into beautiful lanterns. Wine bottles, mason jars, tin cans, the possibilities are endless. Transform old objects like bird cages into rustic lighting fixtures. Number 10. Integrate light into natural elements. Add spotlights to flower pots and plants or embed lights into faux rocks. Let your garden come alive at night. Number 11. Understand the basics of wiring. Differentiate between ground, line, and neutral wires. Most DIY outdoor lighting requires low voltage, so you can be as creative as you want without having to worry about electrical hazards. Number 12. Use proper tools. Adopt safe wiring practices. Equip yourself with proper tools. Insulated pliers, wire strippers, and voltage testers. Always switch off the power before starting any electrical work. Number 13. Ensure all installation materials are outdoor rated. Make sure to check that all materials are outdoor rated and water resistant. From cables to connectors, use outdoor rated materials to guarantee longevity. Number 14. Don't leave any connections or junctions open. Seal all connections and junctions to prevent water seepage and short circuits. A little extra effort ensures a long-lasting lighting setup. Number 15. Conceal cables for a clean look. Route cables behind objects, through plants or bury them. Use conduits for enhanced protection, keeping your garden aesthetically pleasing. Number 16. Use motion sensors and timers for energy efficiency. Enhance energy efficiency with motion sensors and timers. Activate lights when needed and use timers to ensure your DIY lighting is eco-friendly. And there you have it, your guide to eye-catching DIY outdoor lighting. Gone are the days of having to go inside after sunset. Make the maximum use of your outdoor spaces. A romantic dinner? Check. A birthday or a celebration? Movie night? Think of all the ways you could benefit from having an enchanting outdoor space. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the best practical and creative outdoor lighting solutions. As always, thank you for watching.